In this video, I will be showing you how to install ReShade presets in FiveM. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to follow my instruction here. So you have to launch the ReShade setup after downloading it. The second thing to do is using the browse option in the menu, go to the game.exe file inside the game folder for the game you wish to use. So the next thing to do is to simply select the DirectX 10/11/12 option by clicking Next. And then after that, select a preset that you want to use. Okay, so you can click Next if you decide not to make a decision right away. Okay, so the next thing you must do is to select Next after checking every item on the Select Effects screen. After that, the Reshape overlay should now be visible when you launch the game. And then, to access the Reshade menu and select the preset use the Home key on your keyboard. Now install the preset of your choosing by downloading it and pasting the .ini file into the game's root directory where game.exe is located. Last thing to do from the preset menu, pick the preset from Reshade Overlay and start playing. That's how easy it is. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.